Figure this, figure that. An unboxing with the Don. How's it, everyone? New subscribers, old subscribers, friends, family. Just how's it? We're going to do unboxing of the new Hot Toys 1/6 scale upgraded Spider-Man action figure.
Wow.
So without no further ado, I will cut the first bit of sellotape. So if you'd like to come in and view.
Are you going to say that Muerte is with you, or you
Yes,
just going to
well,
leave him out?
They know that now anyway. Muerte is with me. That's the tools of the trade.
Very nice.
Bill the Butcher.
Yes, we're so excited about this one.
So I'm taking the scalpel, and someone was supposed to have changed the blade but hasn't. But, oh, and look at this. This is how it arrived. So I'm hoping that there's no damage to the art box.
Do you want me to zoom in on that?
No, I've took photos and that. I can hold it up a bit so they can see it.
Yeah, it's got a big ding, man.
Yeah, I just hope it hasn't gone through to the art box inside.
Yeah.
Always disappointing to see that.
Yeah. But you are making the first cuts on this box.
Yeah,
So
but I know Sideshow will also swap it out for me.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
How does that happen?
Well, you have to contact them through their exchange department. But they're usually good. Even with figures, if your figure's broke, as long as you show them photos of the figure being broken, Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Does anything that a spider can.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Right, here we go.
Ooh,
Spider-Man
Raboni.
upgraded suit.
Raboni.
Vambo.
Raboni.
Okay, so here we go.
Raboni. Raboni.
And I should put that on the floor. Turn it around.
Wow.
See if there's any damage. There's not, thank the Lord. So it's just the shipper. Oi, 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 oi. Remind me not to lean down like that. Okay, so it hasn't gone right the way through. So this must be what's that, Grantus? Double boxed. Double wall or triple?
No, it's try. No, it's three.
Okay. Rightio. So that's the shipper out the way. Let us get this bad boy open. Again, I reach for the old trusty Excalibur. Look for the tape. And I see the tape there. And that's that one. Sorry for the stupid noises there. But it's like Christmas, man. Hey?
Yes, sir. I'll tell you what, but he looks amazing. And I've seen pictures of him, and his head sculpt is...
Yeah, the actual Tom Holland.
It's unbelievable, man.
Man, you want to have a look
Unbelievable.
at
What a beautiful box.
artwork?
Wow. That is gorgeous. Sorry, I did actually get it through your head there.
No, that's cool.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
That's the sides. It is a slip cover, I see.
Yeah.
It's a slip cover over the clamshell.
Do you have to clip, because I can see these little round...
Yeah.
things,
No, that's
just cut them all.
that's for the actual box. This is a slip cover. You can take it off.
Okay.
So,
Raboni.
well, it's supposed to come out.
Oh man, yes, he is gonna look beautiful.
Look at that artwork, chaps. Look at that artwork, chaps, and it's got the plastic window. You can actually display him in there, I suppose. I wouldn't do that though, it's a bit corny. Right, so this now is, and there we go. First look. Oh,
He is beautiful.
he is, eh?
Wow.
Everything about him.
Can
seems
I go in
impressive.
and sort of investigate?
Do you not want to wait until I get him out? But you can go in and investigate now if you want.
Just to let people see the excitement Look at all the hands.
This is how a normal figure comes from Hot Toys.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
And the boxes, the art boxes are very important. So now it'll be a cut up above here. And we have lift off. This is when, don't get excited still, because these things rip so easily, eh? And obviously affects the price if ever you want to sell them on. So here we go. First thing that greets you is the Spider-Man instruction manual. Figure this, figure that. I said I'd say figure this, figure that instead of swearing. So if you have a lot of figure this, figure that. I love that artwork, eh?
Mm.
That's brilliant. Really is nice.
Oh, let me take that.
It's okay, I'll just drop it on the floor, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah. Okay. Then it's a matter of...
Whoop, see daisies. Sorry everybody, sorry about that.
I'll put that to one side, which is all his hands and paraphernalia. That's the actual figure itself. And I think we were going to take it out and show you him, but it looks a lot more intricate than I thought. So I don't think I'd like to do the unboxing here per se. So what I'll do, Grant, I'll just take the figure out and I'll show you the figure on his stand, because I know you've been dying to see him.
Oh,
There he is.
Yeah.
He's got his cape.
He's what?
His cape.
What cape?
Yeah, he's got a cape.
Oh, ach man.
Static, static, static. Must be static. Okay, I'm not going to get the...
Yes, his suit is shiny.
Yeah, because I have to cut the tape and look at the static stuff, man. And there he is.
Oh, wow.
There's his head sculpt.
And he's the back? Yes. He looks cool. Oh, what is that? Click, click. All ratchet.
Yeah. But I see those were complaining, other collectors were complaining on YouTube about it. There's no ratchet in the elbows or the knees.
Okay.
Okay, so I shall
Alrighty.
put him there. Do you want to see him on the stand?
No, I think we can show people the stand now when you set him out.
When I set the whole thing up?
Yeah, but I think, is it possible to see the head sculpt just quickly?
Yes, it is.
Because that'll be a nice taster. Wow. Wow. That's cool. That's amazing, man.
Excuse me.
That is amazing. Okay. Yeah. No, that is so cool. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man
Does
never
anything that a spider can. Flies on mountains, flies over town. He swings in.
No. I think you just spoilt this whole segment.
Anyway, are we saying goodbye?
Yeah, we have to now. So from me, the Don, figure this, figure that. Peace out.